What's up, guys? Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be taking this 3/8" round stock and making a paper towel holder. Let's get started. Our first step is to forge a point. First, we're going to taper it down on this end. Let's go back in for another heat. Alright, now we're just going to skinny it out and round it all. First we're going to go back some and just give it some hammer marks. And we're going to slowly taper it down to the end. So we're just working on it and just tapering it from about 11 inches back, just tapering it down. Rounding it too. We want it to be round, not square. Alright, let's go in for another heat. Alright. We're going to be doing the same thing. Tapering it and rounding it out and making it straight. We want to get it fairly smooth. Going for another heat. Okay, we're going to take the tip and we're going to forge a little curl. So put it just off this edge of the anvil and just come in and bend it down, and then come up with the pointing up and hit it back. Just knock it back, round it down so you have a little curl just like that. And just kind of do a little bit of straightening. Alright, now we're going to need to measure it. You can stop it. Ready? Okay, so now we're going to want to go from the edge of the curl, the inside edge, and we're going to measure 11.5 inches. So 11.5 inches is right here, and we're just going to mark it, okay? Right there. We're using our chisel. There's a video on how we made this chisel. There's going to be a little tag just right up here, okay? We got a little mark there, so now we're going to go in the forge for another heat. Okay, so now we're just going to find that mark, it's right here, put it on the edge of the anvil, then we're going to hit it half on, half off blows with this thing pointing to the right. And just keep working it down. You're going to go till it's about just over 1/8 of an inch. And you're going to straighten this end now. Okay, so next heat, we're going to draw this back a little bit, okay? Okay, so we're going to put it where we had it and go 3 inches back, flattening it, okay? 3 inches, about right here. So I'll mark that. Half on, half off blows. And then we're going to flatten this area. Flip it over, just flatten it some more. Do a little straightening. Let's throw it back in the forge. Okay, so now we're just going to give it a little twist. We're going to take it here and grab our other tongs and just twist it like that. Just 90 degrees, okay? We'll give it a 90-degree twist. Alright, you're good, Andrew. Okay, so now we're gonna want to cut it off. We're gonna go about 5.5, 6 inches back from where that last twist was. We're just gonna cut it off. There we go. Okay, so now we're gonna go about 1/2 inch in from right here. Put it down, and half on, half off flows right there. Come over to this side, and we're going to give it about 2 inches, okay? A little more over here. Straighten everything up. We're gonna flatten it all out. We're gonna make a knife on this end. It'll look pretty cool. Now we're going to start making a knife shape. So we're going to forge this out. We're going to flatten it. Alright. So now we're going to start on our knife shape. Let me just figure out which way we need it to go real fast. Okay, so we're going to have the point on this end. Put it back in. Okay, so now we're just going to knock down right here. Just a little bit.
Look at that.
Yep. It's getting there. Now we're going to just start where our handle will be on our knife, right about here. And we'll put it back in for another heat. Alright, start it. Alright, so we're going to start bending everything the way it needs to be. This is going to come up, 90-degree angle, come out a teeny bit, right there. And then this one's going to go up. Like that, and then we're going to drop this knife down, and we might need to go in for another heat for that. Yep, we're going to need to go in for another heat for that part. Alright, grab the torch. Turn it off. Yeah, we're just going to trying to bend this part now. Where you get it. Ah! Alright, we're gonna use a hammer then. Okay, so we've got it forged out all the way and we got it right dimensions. You can see it now. The knife's all good in there. So now what we need to do is we need to punch 2 holes here. So we're going to punch them first, then we're going to drill out the holes. Alright, that's good. Alright, it's entirely finished, guys. The holes are drilled. And this is how you make a napkin holder or a paper towel holder. It's a really sweet blacksmithing project and looks great. Here's what it looks like when it's actually all hung up. This is one we just have in our shop right here. Right there. It's pretty cool. So I'm probably going to be giving this away to someone, but I think I already know who I'm going to give it away to. So thanks for watching, guys. Do what every other YouTuber tells you to do at the end of the video. That'd be great. And check out our description below. There might be something you can click on.